For today's video, we're gonna cook pinakbet, a local Filipino food that has so much variety of way of cooking. So let's begin. First, fry the pork belly. I already put some salt and pepper on this. Then, fry the eggplant. After that, on the same pan, saute the garlic, followed by onions and tomato. Then add the bagong alamang. Saute for about 2 minutes or until you reach the desired texture of alamang. Then add sugar to balance the saltiness. Mix well. As of this moment, the smell of alamang is so appetizing. Then add the pork belly to incorporate its flavor. Add the vegetables like squash, bitter gourd, and string beans. You can also add okra and malunggay, depending on the availability. Mix well. Now, add water or pork broth if available. Simmer until the veggies are half cooked. You can add shrimp broth cubes for added flavor, then prepare the rice and get ready for lunch. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Hit the subscribe or follow button for more like this.